Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and today I'm here to share my goals um, for 2020 crafty goals, I guess, um, for this year. And I don't know if I did one last year. I've seen a lot of people do them, like Paige does them, and some of the ladies here on YouTube. And I always thought that was a great way to come out and be accountable for for you know you're going to say this, and hopefully I'll accomplish it, and maybe do another video towards the end of the year and see how I what I accomplished, and if I did what I was gonna if I did what I um, set out to do. Okay, so I just left these little pockets that I made. Um, I think it was Septeria 18 here on YouTube. She's has been well. I She's been doing this for a while. I just um, came across one of her 6x6 mini album, like little flip books and pockets that she made, and so I've been going on her channel and looking at all her videos that she's made um, for 6x6 sheets of paper. So I'll have her link down below because she does have great tutorials. Um, my first goal for the year is create more, buy less, and that is going to be a major challenge for me, because I have so much and I need to downsize. um, as crafters, we just tend to buy, and we're like, if we don't get it, we're gonna regret it. And I think I felt that way several times. So, and I have regretted some purchases in the past that I did not do, and I'm like, gosh, I wish I did it, when it was available, instead of paying, a little bit over the asking price. So, you kind of it's not a win-win. I mean, it's, you pay more what you could have gotten it. Like there were some dies from Sizzix that I wish I had gotten when it was clearanced out, and then now it's just so hard to find, and you can't get them anymore, or they're twice as much money, and it's just okay. So anyway, but that is my first goal for the year. Besides buying, glue and cardstock for cards, stuff like that, solid color cardstock. Um, Second goal is use what I have now. That's another big, you know, challenge for me. I always tend to say, oh, I need this, or I need that to do this project. And I just have to figure out a way to do it without going out and buying stuff. I know create, how do you say that? Create tape, I can't even say it. That new, create, I can't even say it. But anyway, that show that everybody goes and um, shows off their products and stuff. Anyway, or is it CHA? I forget what. It's something's coming up soon, and I know Lydia is going to it. Oh my gosh, I'm not gonna watch her videos. No, I'm just kidding. Anyway, so that's gonna be hard. So that's gonna be a big challenge. And then my third um, goal is to do random giveaways and grant wishes on Crafty Lady Lisa's channel. I've done one already. I'm on my second. So this year I want to do more. And then the random giveaways, I'm going to pick a video and just pull out names, whoever comments on those videos. So that's what I'm planning to do more of this year. I think I've done them in the past, but not as often. Maybe I'll do one a month. I'm going to write that down. One a month on both. Okay. Because not everybody can afford all this crap, and I've been very, very, very blessed to be able to be able to buy whatever think craft supplies that I need. Number 4, the next goal is to downsize. I need to start destashing a lot of my stuff. Not that I need the money. It's not that I need the money. It's just I just need to get rid of it. And some of the stuff has never been used. And I just have so much of it that I'm willing to destash it. And whatever I don't destash, I'm just going to give away. And my 5th goal for 2020 is I may do more lives. I know I haven't been doing any lives lately in the past probably 6 months. And we were, a couple of my friends were doing the, what was it called? It's been so long. What is this book called? I have it here. Nope. Oh goodness. Hold on a sec. Okay. It's this thing that we started on and we haven't done. Scavenger Hunt Notebook. So maybe I'll do some lives doing this. Finish this up. I have several more to do in this notebook. I have some that I wanted to do, like, so maybe I'll do more of that this year, hopefully. And then maybe I'll do some lives of some art journal. Now this is a book that I've had in my stash and I've gessoed all the pages, so I'm ready to go. And I want to try my hand in doing some collaging. It's not art journaling, it's more mixed media art, I guess. So I don't know, that's one of my goals, is just to dabble in mixed media more. And maybe I'll do lives with that. So the scavenger hunt and mixed media. I've always wanted to do that. I have all the supplies, I just haven't started on it. I've just been so intimidated. So that's 5. 6, I'm going to ask you guys, what do you want to see on my channel? Do you want to definitely see more crafting, but what else would you like to see? Is there anything that you want me to do? If you have ideas, put them down below and I will put them on my list to do. Yeah, I think those are my goals. I have 5 good goals for 2020. 2, the first 2 are the biggies, like create more and spend less and use what I have versus going out and buying it. So those are going to be the big ones, I think. And then the others, I'm going to do more giveaways, and I'm going to start going through my stuff and destashing, and then trying to do some lives. With, my schedule coming up in the spring, it might be kind of hard, but, I can definitely do something, maybe just an hour um, a week or something. So those are my goals, guys. Oh my God, I have it out there. so, so I want to thank everybody for staying with me, sticking around on my channel, even though I haven't been posting, haven't been on much. I I think my new subscribers, I haven't been getting much because of that reason, but maybe with these new goals, I'll try to grow my channel a little bit more. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.